Sorry. One second. Today we are reviewing the Oral-B Pro Smart Limited Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. That was a lot. Now, I absolutely love electric toothbrushes. Well, my dentist told me I need to get an electric toothbrush, so now I absolutely love electric toothbrushes. Now, a couple of cool things about the Oral-B Pro Smart Limited is that it's rechargeable. It comes with a charger. You can just sit it on the charger and you'll see it light up, boom, to let you know that it is charging. It also comes with two of these brush heads that you can just pop off and pop on when you need them. And the last thing that I love about it is that it comes with this little carrying case that you can just pop your toothbrush in, snap your brushes in there, close it, and you're ready to go. Now, a couple of things to note about this toothbrush is that it has position detection to help you know where you've brushed so you never miss a zone. And it also has a pressure sensor technology to help slow down the speed of the brush to help protect your gums. Other cool thing about this toothbrush is that it has 5 modes, and we're going to break down these modes right now. Now, the first mode you're going to see on here is a tooth with a plus sign, which is the Pro Clean mode, which is just an extended everyday cleaning mode to help remove plaque and maintain oral health. Now, the next mode you're going to see is a feather, which is sensitive mode, which is basically slower speeds for a gentle brushing experience. Now, the next mode you're going to see is a diamond, which is whitening mode, which is basically like a polishing mode that varies in intensity to help remove surface stains. Now, the next mode you're going to see is 3 lines. It looks like a wave. That's the gum care mode, which is basically a massaging mode, and it pulsates gently to help stimulate your gums. Now, the last mode you're going to see is a picture of a tongue, which is pretty self-explanatory. This is tongue clean mode. This is a dedicated mode to help encourage tongue cleaning after brushing. So as you can see, I absolutely love this toothbrush. I'm going to continue to use it today, tomorrow, next year. I'm just going to keep buying replacement heads. It's just how it goes. Once again, this is the Oral-B Pro Smart Limited Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. And if you own one of these already, then you already know why I feel the way I feel. And if you don't own one and you're looking for a good electric toothbrush, this is a good one to try. And if you do buy one and you try it out and you love it, please let us know. Thanks again.